MLA ko Kongres kabadon haliang persya kayang darba tau ain usaleng sangma ulong bagajing post new jang ka Sorkar pan kentiu ya kayo ka kot jang Jylla sya ka 10 billion kala ban salong shen Henry usiat parshi pat da Kaba ai khuble ya ka jing dap ram jang ka Sorkar Kaba la Pynkit ya ki Paidbah bar ka Jylla baro kawai ba kali shpangki project badang sa hatura ulong bakane ka Sorkar kala sang ki kam ki bathamai ha ka jaka bakan pendep ya ki project barim.
You see, just now we have, one of our leader from the opposition, Arden Masumite, has talked about the loan, okay, and then it is already reflected in the budget. Now, if we are taking that much of loan, we'll be in a debt trap in the future. So that way, that dream might just get shattered. You never know, because every citizens from Meghalaya, they will end up paying one way or the other. For example, now MECL power, in the power bill, no household is left out without paying a bill who is already connected with the power, okay, electric. And then in this particular area, everybody has to buy a rice, everybody has to buy the product for their domestic requirement. So that way, when the Meghalaya itself is in a debt trap, then definitely every individual will be ending up paying that particular tax. Definitely government will one day increase the, not only the budget, even the price rise also will be there. We have already raised about this particular, medical colleges and our projects so many times, again and again. But it seems like this government has got new things to come up. Instead of completing all those pending projects, they are bringing new ideas, building new projects. So that way, I think none of the project is going to get completed. And moreover, for your information, Eklavya was once, I think, being called a tender from the Manipur. It was quite embarrassing actually. Once, I think so, by MGCC, Manipur Government Construction Corporation, I think so, by them. So now we are bringing back. It's a good on the part of the government to do so, but again, we are taking lots of time even to initiate here in Meghalaya.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center